Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update session history and receipts in ChargePoint, complete guide step by step clearly. To update session history in ChargePoint, begin by logging into your ChargePoint account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate and select the session history option from the menu. From the session history page, identify the specific session you wish to update. Click on that session to view more details. On the Session Details page, look for the Edit button. Click on the Edit button to enter the editing mode. Update the necessary fields, such as date, time, or duration of the session. Ensure all changes are accurate before proceeding. Once you've made your updates, scroll down to locate the Save button. Click Save to finalize the changes to your session history. Next, to update receipts, return to the main dashboard. Select the Receipts option from the navigation menu. Identify the specific receipt you wish to update. Click on the receipt to open its details. Look for an Edit button on the Receipt Details page. Click on this Edit button. Here, you can update fields such as the amount or payment method. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. After completing your updates, locate the Save button. Click Save to apply your changes to the receipt. To confirm all changes have been successfully updated, review both the session history and receipts sections. Make sure all modifications are reflected correctly. If necessary, log out of your account to ensure the changes were saved. By following these steps, you can effectively update your session history and receipts in ChargePoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.